barn now will just absorb absolutely everything. He's also got really, really lovely long legs. Now where these guys live in the wild, as I say, out in Central and South America, those long legs, they work like stilts for the bird, so they help to keep this species of eagle owl in the world, and he's actually weighing in lighter than that Harris hawk. Okay, so when Zoe over there came in, it's usually just kind of life. But because he's getting on a bit, guys, he's 10 years old, he's starting to get diet as well, and I'm really sorry with the swirly wind, some of it may get shared. He enjoys himself.
Oh, nice big test.
There you go. So this is prepare those because they're just safe to be fed as is. Pretty good meat, got a nice bit of nutritional value to them. That's just making sure no other bird.